Good morning, children. Welcome back after your Diwali. How was your Diwali? Enjoyed? I'm sure everyone would have tried to burst at least that, if not burst crackers, at least sparklers. Kambi matappa? Okay, we have to do it, whether there is going to be pollution and anything like that, we have to listen to the rules which is the government are telling, right? Yes. So maybe if they say that you should not burst crackers, it's better you don't burst it. So you must be happy that you didn't do it. Or if they say stop it by 10 o'clock, we have to stop it because the sound can really be too noisy for old people or for the dogs and cats and cows which are on the roads, right, which live in the neighborhood. Yeah, they will get scared because of this sound. You are also scared of loud noises, right? The bursting sound of the crackers, even I get scared. Particularly when I'm walking on the road, I'm really scared during Diwali days to walk. So what I'll do, I will go buy things and keep everything before Diwali itself. On the 3 days of Diwali, I will not step out of my house only, even after Diwali 2 days also. Because just when I'm walking, somebody will burst one cracker there. Okay? Okay. So today, we are going to start something new. Okay? It is called as vowels. What is it called? Vowels. Vowels. Okay? Vowels are these letters which are there in your alphabet. That is A, E, I, O, U. Can you say A, E, I, O, U? What are the sounds for this? A, E, O, A. A as in apple, apple. As in egg, elbow, exit, to go out. Then E as in ink, iguana, E. Next one is O as in orange, on, off. Switch it on, switch it off. Then you have A as in umbrella, upside down, upside down. Okay, so these are the vowels. Now why are these called as vowels? Do you know? Because the sounds of these letters A, E, I, O, U, they are called as true sounds. True sounds. Okay? Why? I'll tell you what is the meaning of true sounds. If you have had a baby at home, those of you who have a baby at home, or those who have seen their cousin brother or sister as a baby, little baby, or if you've seen any babies in the neighborhood, you will see that they will be able to make only these sounds. E, they'll cry, no? That is the sound they will make. Do they make any other sound like t, p, z? Do they make like that? No, they don't make those sounds. They will only make these sounds. What are the sounds? Tell me. When they are lying down, they'll be shaking their legs and they'll be making a sound. They'll make a sound like that, or they'll make the sound they'll make that sound, or they will say e, they start crying, right? Yeah, so these are the sounds which a baby, or when you are born, you can make the sounds. Okay, these are the first sounds that you make. Okay, and these sounds are called true sounds because it comes from your vocal cord, from your voice box. Here, this is where you have your voice box. Okay, it has a vocal cords inside it. The sounds are made here. If you put your hand here on your throat and you talk, put your hand here and you sing, you can hear one vibration. Can you hear it? You can hear one vibration going on. A, E, O, yeah. For all those sounds, there will be a vibration. You can hear it here. So when the baby makes these sounds, these vibrations come through the voice box. Okay, it comes through the voice box, and these are very special, and this is the most easily that the baby can make. These sounds are the ones that the baby can make immediately as soon as they are born. And for making these sounds, only the air has to come out. Okay, they need not move their lips like this. Like, you know, let's say P, M, R. See, when I am saying P, M, B, or let's say V, I need my lips for that, right? M, N, P, or V. Is it not? Yes. And if I want to make sounds like R, okay, R, I need my tongue for that. R. Or let's say K. Try and make your sound. L. See your tongue where it is going? L. R. N. Or you say T. Is it not? Z. So, to make sounds, you need your lips. M, P, B. Okay? You also need your tongue. Like L, S, N. Is it not? So, to make the sound, along with the air coming out from your mouth, from through your voice box, the air coming through your voice box makes the true sounds. Along with that, you need your lips and tongue. If your lips and tongue are not moving, means the only sounds you can make is this, which the baby is making. Okay, the baby's lips and the baby's tongues are just developing. The baby cannot walk as soon as it's born, right? Yeah, in the same way, the baby cannot move the lips or its tongues as soon as they are born to make sounds. Okay, so these are called as true sounds. You want to say the sound again? You can say it like a baby. You want to say A, E, O, A. Okay, so they are called as true sounds because you don't use your lips, you don't use your tongue, you don't use your lips, you don't use your tongue, only the air comes. A, E, O, A, E. Did you see my lip moving? No. Did you see my tongue moving? No. So they are called as vowels. What are they called as? Vowel. How many vowels are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One for each finger. Okay, one hand. A, E, O, A, E. Okay, got it? Yeah. So these are called as vowels. You would have noticed that in your sandpaper letter. Come take a look at your sandpaper letter box. You see a sandpaper letter box. There are two colors in it. Have you noticed it? Yes, there are pink sandpaper letters and blue sandpaper letters. Have you wondered why some are blue color and some are pink color? Yes, the blue color. Let's see what they are. Okay. The first blue sandpaper letter is A. Your first vowel. A. And the next sandpaper letter is E. E. That is also a vowel. Then you have your E. E is also a vowel. Then you have your O. That is also a vowel. And then you have one more, that is A. Okay, so you see that all the sandpaper letters which are blue color, Where? Vowels. And how many are there like that? Let's count. We said 5, right? Let's confirm. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's all. Can you see any more blue in this? Any more blues there? No, there are no more blues. All the blues I have taken out, and these are the vowels. Just 5 of them. So this is what I wanted you to notice when we were making words with the LMA box. Shall we go to the LMA box, the movable alphabet box? Come. Do you see that? Oh well, most of the letters are in red color. Few of them are in blue color. What are the ones which are the ones in blue color? A, E, O, A. If you say the names A, E, I, O, U. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 vowels. Now let's try and make some words, okay, like hat, H, A, T, hat. Then let's make a word like bed, B, E, D, bed. Then let's make kit, K, I. This is the title. I, T, kit. Then let's try and make something like pot, pot, P, O, T, pot. And make something like sun, S, A, N. So, did you notice that in all these words, the vowels, they can be seen very clearly. So, if you make any word you make, there has to be a vowel in it. There can't be words without vowels. Okay? Any word you make, there will be a vowel in it. Why don't you just check some books and find out one word for me without vowel in it? Without this A, E, I, O, U. Can you find out? It should not be acronyms, not that short forms. Full word. Find out a word without vowel in it. Maybe it should be there. You should find out and tell me. Okay? Do you see who's sitting here? Oh, that's my Vowely. You know who's that? That's Vowely. You know what Vowely does? When nobody is there, he'll be looking around for vowels. Okay? And what does he do? He goes and eats it up. Num num yum 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 yum. Yummy. Yum 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 yum. Yummy. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Oh my God, what a big burp that was. So this naughty Vowely, you will see that he will be sitting on the windows and he'll be watching you. Have you noticed? He'll be sitting on the windowsill and he'll be watching everyone doing the activity, looking for all these vowels. When you're not around, you know what he does? He comes and eats up just the vowels. Other letters will not eat. Only the vowels he'll eat. So what we should do? Before vowel can come, our work is over. You should take and keep it inside the box. That is why I say, after you finish your work, go keep it inside the box. Once it goes into the box, vowel will not disturb. Okay, I don't know why. He's a good boy. He doesn't come and disturb what is in the box. But if it is on your mat, you are not around, vowel will come and eat it. Which are those letters? A, E, I, O, U. I want you to say it in this way. A, E, I, O, U. Okay? Now to help you remember this vowels, these 5 letters, how about singing a song? Okay, we will sing it with Vowely. Okay, Vowely, are you ready to sing? Yeah, he's ready. Let's start singing. The vowels of the alphabet, I know them all, their name. O, A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U, I know them all by name. Oh, one more time we'll sing. The vowels of the alphabet, I know them all by name. O, A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U, I know them all by name. Oh, okay, you can practice this song. Okay, if you are not getting the rest of the song, it's okay, but you should know A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U, I know them all by name. Oh, okay, so please practice this song. You must know them by their name, also by their sound. Mostly you are used to the sounds only. You will not be using the names very often in Montessori classroom, but you must know them by their name also. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. Now shall we get into our workbook? Come. Today's date is the 16th November 2020. So you'll write 16-11-2020 and we are in the Monday. And you will have to open page number 32 and 33. Just 2 pages in your workbook. Shall we see what's in it? In page number 32, they have given you all the letters of the alphabet. Okay? Remember we learnt it in the first term. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. It will be in the order of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Okay, all the letters are there. Now your work will be to take a pencil and circle out only the vowels. Okay, can you show me one vowel? Which vowel shall we work for? A? Okay, or the letter A. Where is A? There. So you are going to circle it. Okay. Then the next vowel is A, E, I, O, U. Remember the song? Okay. Next one was the name E. Where is E? Stop. Circle it. Okay. And the next one A, E, I. Where is I? Stop. A, E, I, O. The next one is O. Stop. Tell me to stop when you say O. There it is. Circle it. Now, A, E, I, O, U. When U comes, ask me to stop. There. That's all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. I know them all by their name. Oh, okay. That's your page 32. You can sing and do the song. Now we'll move to page number 33. In this page, there are so many pictures. Okay. I will tell you the names of these pictures. Now you have to find out which vowel sound is coming in between. Okay. For example, first one, rat. Rat. What is the sound, the vowel sound you hear in between this? At. Ah. So do you hear the vowel ah? Yeah. So you're going to write that. So in this page, after you finish, you would have found that in all these blank spaces, you would have filled only the vowels. That's because every word will have a vowel in it. Words can't be without vowel. You also have to find out in your name how many vowels are there. Okay. In my name, there are 2 vowels. In your name, you have to find out how many vowels are there. Now I'll tell you the pictures. Okay, names of pictures for you to recall when you're doing your activity. Rat, hop. What is a rabbit doing? Hopping, hop. Bed, nut. So many nuts are there. Pistachios, cashew nut, hazelnut, nut. Vet, the veterinary doctor who takes care of animals. Vet. Jam. Say jam. Hen. Repeat. Hen. Bin. The dustbin. In big apartments, you would have seen this dustbin kept outside with wheels on it. Inside your house or the school, you will find one without wheels. Okay, bin. Bin. Next is jogging. Jog. Jog. Jogging is like, a gentle running which you do as exercise. Jog. Next is cot. It can be the cot in which a baby sleeps also. Cot. Next one, fin. The fin of the fish. The dorsal fin, the ventral fin, the anal fin, the pectoral fin. Remember Diksha teaching you how the fin goes? How the pectoral fins help you to turn left or right or straight? Fin. And then you have the cap. Repeat. Cap. Tomorrow in your homework book, you will find a page like this. Okay. Again, just like how we did in your workbook, you have to find out the letter or the vowel letter that is coming in between this. Okay. In between these words. This is a bug. Pig. I would have changed this picture to that of a cat. Okay. Then you have a dog, hen, mug, net, bin, rat and box. Maybe I would have given you one more page also, okay, where you have to identify only the vowel. You need not write the full word. Like for example, when I say hen, N. So what is the vowel you hear? E. So just write only the vowel sound. You need not write the remaining letters. Just the vowel sound alone. Okay. So when you have finished it, you will find only the 5 vowels in this, like E, O, A, E. Okay. Only those will be there in it. Will you do it? I will tell just the names of these pictures. Hen, pig, cat, dog, cub. The lion cub. We learnt, no, the young one of a lion is a cub. box, pen, bag, pin, tub, the tub in which you take bath. Okay, yeah, I know you little children like to take bath in a tub, right? At least you would love to sit inside a bucket. Tub. Then bat, the animal bat. Then bed, nut, map, and the last one is van. Okay, don't ignore all this, they would have made a mistake. Van or the bus, it can be a bus also. Okay, bus. So that is all for today. I'll send you the link to your vowel song. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Sing it along and learn the song and do the activity as you sing. Okay? And also find out how many vowels are there in your name. I have 2. Okay? Let's see who's got the most number of vowels. Okay? Okay children, bye bye. I'll meet you all in another video. Until then, ta-da.